In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a custom indicator into NinjaTrader 8. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a custom indicator into your platform quickly and confidently. Before we start, make sure NinjaTrader 8 is open and you're looking at the main control center window. It's also helpful to have your custom indicator file saved somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated folder. Most third-party indicators for NinjaTrader are packaged as a compressed zip file specifically meant for import. You don't need to extract or open that .zip yourself. NinjaTrader will handle everything during the import. Begin by moving to the top of the main NinjaTrader window and clicking on Tools. This is the central place for managing platform settings and bringing in new content. From there, choose Import. This tells NinjaTrader you want to bring something from your computer into the platform. When the submenu appears, select NinjaScript add-on. That's the option used for importing custom indicators, strategies, and other NinjaScript-based tools. As soon as you select NinjaScript add-on, your File Explorer will open. Use it to navigate to the location where you saved the custom indicator file you want to import. Look for the correct .zip file provided by the developer or vendor. Select it and confirm your choice. NinjaTrader will then process the package, install the files it needs, and register the indicator inside the platform. During this import, you might see a brief progress indicator or a message at the bottom of the control center. If everything checks out, you'll get a confirmation that the import finished successfully. If something isn't right, like a missing dependency, a duplicate, or an incompatible version, NinjaTrader will display a clear message in the Log tab so you can understand what needs attention. When possible, use indicators from trusted sources and keep your platform updated to reduce compatibility issues. And that's it. Clicking Tools, choosing Import, and selecting NinjaScript add-on brings up your File Explorer, where you simply pick the custom indicator file you want to import. NinjaTrader does the rest. This process is fast, repeatable, and designed to keep your workflow smooth, so you can focus on your charts instead of your setup. If you follow these steps exactly as shown, you'll have your custom indicator imported in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your newly added tools inside NinjaTrader 8.